The business wanted to see a report where they can see the inbound delivery with respect to actual goods received quantity. In which report you can see the inbound delivery and goods received quantity and the posting date. Which report you can suggest to the business if the business is asking that I want to get a report where I can see the inbound delivery number, material, received quantity, posting date, who has received. What is the best report you can suggest to the business to check the list of inbound deliveries with received quantity? MB51. So actually generally MB51 we most focus on the purchase order and all, but there is a field for a reference field and inbound delivery is also available in MB51. So MB51, the answer is MB51 can be used So all these details can be available in MB51 report.